friends. Today I want to visit an ice cream factory. I want to go over there and I want to eat all the ice cream. So let's go! Whoa! An ice cream factory! Yay! So many things are here, but all are scattered. Now I have to fix them all. Who have to fix them? I! Yes, I can fix them all. So, first thing which we have to fix is ice cream cone. Yay! Let me take it out an ice cream cone. Where are the topping? Here they are. And shoo! I fix it. And now I have to put it in my stand. Yay! Now, what I have to fix is another ice cream cone. Yes! Now, which topping? This one? Yes! Yes, now I have to put it. Yay! Some cakesicles are also here. Wow! Now, what I have to put in next? Wow! Sandwiches? Yummy sandwiches. I'm so hungry. I can eat them. Now I have to put it on the place. Now I have a soft drink. Where it is? Here it is. It is of orange color. I should put it on the stand. Ta-da! Now I have some extra topping for our ice cream. Yummy. Where should I put it? I should put it here. Now, what is this? Oh, an orange flavor. It's an orange flavor sprinkles. I should put it here. They are very yummy. Next is this. Ice cream. Yummy ice cream. 3-color ice cream is yellow, green, and pink in color. I should put it here. Yes. Now I have this. What is this? Is it a popcorn container? Yay! It is. I should put popcorns in it. Yay! I fixed it. Ta-da! I should put it here with these sandwiches. Oh, I have some cakesicle. Wow, yummy. I should put it here. Oh wow, a sugar container which give ice cream more sweetness. I should put it here. Oh, one more ice cream. Yummy ice cream. Can I eat it? No, first I should put it on the place. Ta-da! I put it. What is here? Oh, and it's strawberry flavor. The strawberry flavor should be put in here. The cakesicle, yummy. It's in candy flavor. I should put it here. Down. Now I have some extra topping of ice cream. A pink color. I should put it in the fridge. And here's also a green color topping. I should also put it here in the fridge. I'm so tired. I should put now this spoon on its place. And here. Now what I have, some French fries. Yummy French fries. I should track them. They're too heavy. Now, where the container is? Here it is. I should put it on there. It's too heavy. Where should I put it? I should put it here. Now, what I have this candy topping. Yay! It's yummy. Should I eat some? No, I cannot. Where should I put it? I should put it here. Yes. I have a spoon. And what is it? Oh, a red color soft drink. I should stir it first. I should stir it and can I drink some? It's yummy. Now I should put it on the place. But I don't have any space to put it. Where should I put it? I can put it over here in the fridge. Yes! Yay! I have fixed all the ice cream factory. I'm so tired. I should take some rest. I'm sitting over here taking some rest. Yay! Thanks to me. Now I want to eat all the ice cream and the sandwiches.